Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL. Tonight we're talking about EdTech company here, technology company EduFocal Limited, trading in their shares here. Talk about skin in the game, sign of confidence here continuing. EduFocal Limited advisor the purchase of just over 2.5 million shares. Ticker symbol LEARN. That's a purchase in LEARN shares by a director. Company insider on August 30th, 2022. Big time, baby. Future Energy Source Company Limited. That's FESCO, trading in their shares as well. Advisory by a director selling here, or by the company that a director sold, a total of just over 766,000 shares of FESCO between the period August 16th and August 29th, 2022. Now, major financial company, you're talking here, trillions of dollars in terms of total assets. Big time financial company here, right in Jamaica, the Caribbean. NCB Financial Group Limited, advising that they completed a transaction by a subsidiary, raising a whopping $300 million US. They came up with the advisor before. Now it's a done deal, finito. NCB Financial Group states they advised further to the release dated August 17th. Its wholly owned subsidiary, that's National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited, has successfully raised financing, as we mentioned, $300 million US, big ones, through the securitization of its credit card merchant voucher receivables program. Now, the transaction was rated actually by Fitch Ratings and achieved a rating of BBB-, the outlook being stable, and the transaction was placed in the international private placement market and closed August 30th, 2022. You know you have a big balance sheet, big company, when you can place private placements internationally, not just in Jamaica or the Caribbean. Now, GraceKennedy Limited, major conglomerate. First Global Bank appoints actually here the president and CEO role effective September 1st, 2022. It's Mr. Radcliffe Daly has been appointed in this capacity, president and CEO of First Global Bank. Mr. Daly has actually been acting in this role or capacity since July 18th, and he has over 30 years of experience in retail, corporate as well as investment banking. It's a good look there for FGB going forward. Now, BYD, a company that's been all the rage. Buffett has been in there. Shares really tumbling or falling 12% or more after Buffett has lowered his stake. It's a small, let's say, trimming of the position or so. The share price actually has been up, when you really look at it, more than 600% in the past 10 years. One of the better bets or investment, let's say, by Berkshire Hathaway and Buffett. But although it has caused a fall off in BYD by him trimming his position or selling a small stake, it's really only approximately 1.33 million shares of BYD that he's sold. I mean, he's still just roughly around or just under 20% or so. But Berkshire still holds actually 218.7 million shares of BYD, the EV company, electric vehicle company that has been all the rage. So it could just be a small realignment or so, and the markets might be overreacting. We'll see what happens in the coming trading days. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a fantastic evening. This is Business Live.